And I'm Stones.
And this is our second annual Root to Fruit Festival.
Healing from root to the fruit, living in nothing but truth. Got us right shotty and cool, chasing our dreams, getting straight to the loop. Switching up time zones, addicted to views. Hop on this fight, you got nothing to lose. Finessing the world, ain't leaving a clue. Some are just chosen and others must choose.
This festival is a free, all-ages event that is made to bring art and wellness to the community in an accessible way.
We intentionally make these events accessible because we know that there are so many barriers to accessing wellness and trusting practitioners and just finding community. So we are intentional about having these spaces, creating these spaces, and being consistent with them.
So today we are at the beautiful Sunset Social on top of Cira Green Rooftop. If this is your first time here, welcome. We have so much in store for you today. We have beginner-friendly wellness sessions. We got performances. We have a live art gallery. We have our Harvest Hub featuring incredible vendors, all in art and wellness, co-curated by Melody Market. And we would not be here today without some very special people.
Yeah, we definitely have to give a shout out to the Phoenix.
The Phoenix is in the back corner of the Harvest Hub, holding down our relaxation station.
And also we have to give a shout out to PCF.
Philadelphia Cultural Fund, make some noise.
We would not be here without the support of PCF. They support arts across the city, one of our big sponsors and just proponents of the work that we do.
Art, culture, wellness, all the things. So we about to get into it.
Let's get it.
Do this for love, do this for you, do this for me, do this for ancestors shining on you. Hard like percussion, this is the liberty.
How y'all feeling today? We would not be here without all the hours and days and weeks and months and emails and meetings and phone calls and everything that y'all put into making this possible. So round of applause to Crux and Stones for bringing us all out today. I have had an amazing time assisting Stones and Crux and the Forbidden Fruit team with bringing Root to Fruit to life for this year. I mean, I was here for the one last year, so just building off of the momentum of the success of the first Root to Fruit, I was super excited to see what they were going to put together for this year. So as the MC and host for this year, I had the pleasure of working with Ty and Tony to review all the details for the event and make sure I was aware of all the different moving parts, all the vendors, all the sponsors, and making sure that all the performers were all set and ready to come on and off the stage to bless the audience with their presence, with their music, and with their talent. So it's been an absolute pleasure, and I'm so honored to be a part of Root to Fruit this year.
How you not know we do this? Catching a vibe in the stew. Talking abundance, we fluent. Planted a seed and it grew. I sprouted wings and I flew for real. I see the same for you. You could do more than you do. If you knew who you are, you would start so real.
We gotta cook in order to eat. In the studio delivering heat. Art and wellness, that's where we meet. Root to Fruit was an absolute treat. Up on our feet, walking in purpose, doing the work. Promise it's worth it.
I think my favorite part of the festival so far was definitely the Build-A-Bears. They're just really cute, and I think it was very creative and a great stress reliever.
What has it been like for me bringing Root to Fruit to life? Being a part of a new generation of wellness leaders, people who are trying to cultivate an idea of wealth spiritually, mentally, and physically, and bring it all together from all ages has been one of the most, it's just inspiring, especially living in the city of Philadelphia. Not many people operate in the spirit of camaraderie, but as you can see, that's celebrated here, and being part of it to help cultivate that has been nothing short of miraculous. So I'm real happy to be a part of it. Shout out to my homie Stones too. I see you, Tone. Good stuff, brother.
Give me some weed, I just put up on feet. Got something for you to see. Baby, just come kick it with me. We can take a vacation, palm tree. Yeah, gotta stay with your team. You just gotta follow your dreams. Plant your seeds, harvest 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 your dreams.
Plant your seeds, harvest your dreams. Plant your seeds, harvest your dreams. Plant your seeds, harvest your dreams. Plant your seeds, harvest your dreams.
Roots of Fruit 2025, man. This was a beautiful day. We had free smoothies. We had Ask a Lawyer, Ask a Therapist, free massages. We had Jacqueline Constance on stage. We had Max and Jean. It was such a beautiful day. DJ Reezy keeping the vibes all day. People doing yoga, man. Like, where could you get all of that in one place? There's nothing like Roots of Fruit. You gotta come out. You gotta be here, experience the community, see what we're building, make a new friend, make a new connection, and really plant a seed of wellness for yourself.
Today was more than I could have ever imagined. So grateful for this experience and so many beautiful people of all ages, all backgrounds, all shapes, sizes, and colors coming together on this beautiful rooftop in the middle of Philadelphia in the name of art and wellness. Roots of Fruit!
Roots of Fruit!